Let's make a sheet pan chicken and sausage supper. Now this is one of those pub recipes that you can get, and it's super simple to make. We've preheated our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to start off with 1/3 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're just going to mix it up really well. Here we have 3 pounds of chicken thighs and legs. We have 7 ounces of kielbasa sausage that we've cut into like those diagonal slivers. And we have 3 sweet onions that we've quartered. And I'm just going to mix this up with my hands to make sure everything has a nice coating of our sauce on it. How was that? Good enough?
Yeah, that looks good.
I'm just going to pour it onto the pan, so it's... Alright, I'm ready. Oh, I see what she's doing. Alright, I'm just going to take this, I'm just going to pour it onto the pan, like you may have heard earlier. Everything spread out. Now we're going to stick this in the oven, and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, then we're going to add our broccoli to it. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're now going to take our broccoli florets, and we're going to do about, this is probably about 3-4 cups. We're going to stir those in. Smells absolutely delicious. If you like these recipes, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. Would really appreciate it. And we're going to try to stir this just a little bit, the broccoli florets, because we want to get those juices down on the bottom of the pan from the chicken, from the sausage, and from the balsamic vinaigrette and those spices to coat the broccoli florets as well. Once we get those all coated, we'll put this back in the oven. We're going to bake it for another 30 minutes. We want to make sure that the internal temperature of our chicken thighs and legs is going to be 165 degrees. All right, let's get this back into the oven. All right. Our sheet pan chicken and sausage supper is now complete. You can tell that it's all got a nice little char on the outside. It's delicious. Give this recipe a try.